And you think of Shenzhen, you think of technology. Shenzhen is home of big worldwide known brands like DJI that makes drone, Oppo and VIVO, OnePlus, they all make phones. They also have very nice and awesome flagship stores here. So we're gonna be visiting some of the flagship stores for these brands that are located all around Shenzhen. We're gonna be checking what they have, where are they. I'm very excited because I'm a technology lover. I really like technology. So let's just go and take a look and see what they have to offer. We are in the VIVO store in Shekou in Shenzhen, one of the most stunning flagship stores of these technology brands. So we have here now the X50 Pro. It's a very awesome phone. This is, I would say, the most expensive phone they have right now. It's almost 6,000 yuan, 850 US dollars, and it's their current flagship model. This is my other favorite one. It's a little bit. This is my own one, but I'm not sure if this is made by VIVO or not. They also have devices, like you have here this device, you can put your phone number, you put it on your car, so if you're parking in the wrong place, maybe somebody can give you a call, say, hey, move the car, what are you doing here? And they also have a smartwatch, but I think it's only like a prototype. They're not showing up or displaying the real watch here. Light, and they just cost 400 RMB. That's like 60 US dollars around. And they also have stuffed animals.
In the second floor of the building, you can find the VIVO Lab, a very cool place to experience the VIVO technology, interacting with lights, phones, and visual effects. This area of the store is equipped with a special music area, game and photo areas for people to enjoy and explore cutting-edge technology. It's a brand new concept area that aims to inspire technological exploration, while giving people a place to discover, learn, have fun, and take pictures. Unfortunately, by the time of the making of this video, the VIVO lab was closed due to the pandemic regulations. Hopefully, it will reopen soon. Folks, I'm gonna be wandering around nice and beautiful places here in China and documenting about it. I will also be Instagramming my day-to-day and my trips in this awesome country. Feel free to follow me and leave your comments and impression over there about life in China. I will leave the link to my account in the description down below. Remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you don't miss any of my follow-up stories about what's going on in this part of the world. If you think there might be someone else interested in these kind of videos, please consider sharing. My name is Rafael, thanks for watching, stay safe until next time.